India remains in protest mode. The trigger is the Citizenship Amendment Act. The demonstrations often turn violent, as happened in the northeast portions of parts of Delhi today, northeast Delhi. Look at these images. A school bus was attacked. Demonstrators pelted stones at the police. The police resorted to tear gas shelling to disperse the crowd. Entry and exit gates at 5 metro stations were closed for a few hours. Delhi has been witnessing violence. It started at Jamia Islamia University over the weekend. Police have arrested 10 people in that case. Earlier today, the matter reached India's apex court. Protesters wanted a judicial probe into police action at the university. The Chief Justice of India said that fact-finding was not the job of the court, and that the protesters were treating the Supreme Court of India as a trial court. Another petition said no action should be taken against the students of Aligarh Muslim University and Jamia University. The Chief Justice rejected that plea. He said that the police will file FIRs if it thinks that a particular person is guilty and if there is violence. Another argument was over the police's entry into the Jamia campus on Sunday night. The Solicitor General said the university proctor had granted permission to the police to enter. Within minutes, the proctor, Wasim Khan, issued a statement. He said this was not true. He never gave any permissions. Elsewhere in the country, protests continued. Kerala witnessed mass protests jointly organized by the left and the Congress. 5 buses were vandalized. Sporadic incidents of violence were reported. Police have arrested more than 230 people across the state. In Tamil Nadu, protests were interrupted after police entered the University of Madras. Students in Chennai have been protesting for 2 days in solidarity with Jamia. In fact, reports say that students from nearly 42 universities across India are protesting against the citizenship law. The agitation began in Guwahati and continues there. Today, leaders of the All Assam Students' Union courted arrest. Meanwhile, opposition leaders submitted a letter to President Ram Nath Kovind asking him to intervene and to advise the government to repeal this controversial act. Congress, Trinamool Congress, DMK, the left parties, the Samajwadi Party, the All India Muslim League, National Conference, all of them signed this letter. The opposition wants a judicial probe into police action against Jamia students. The constitutional legality of this law will be taken up in the Supreme Court tomorrow. Left parties have called a Bandh across Bihar. Congress says that the law is an attempt to divide India. In retaliation, the government has accused the opposition of misleading the people of this country. Home Minister Amit Shah said that this law does not take away the citizenship of any person from the minority community. He also said that the centre had consulted at least 140 organizations from northeastern states before finalizing this bill.
साथियों, नागरिकता संशोधन कानून न किसी भारतीय का अधिकार छीनता है, न ही उसे किसी तरह का नुकसान पहुंचाता है। कांग्रेस और उसके सारे साथी खुल करके घोषणा करें कि वो पाकिस्तान के हर नागरिक को भारत की नागरिकता देने के लिए तैयार है।
Meanwhile, Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan sought to target India over the citizenship law. Speaking at the Geneva Global Refugee Forum, Imran Khan compared the Citizenship Act and the NRC to ethnic cleansing in Myanmar. Beat that. He exaggerated dangerously, saying that the law will affect 200 million Muslims in India. 200 million. Khan also said that it could lead to a conflict between the two countries. Needless to say, this is plain rhetoric and a lot of lies. India's Home Ministry has slammed the Pakistani Prime Minister for peddling lies. But the government's bigger worry should be the spiraling protests. Students are spearheading a bulk of these agitations. The opposition wants the law repealed. The government says it is non-discriminatory. The ball is now in the court, literally and figuratively.